Hi, this is cellphonetime.com. In this video, you will learn how to use TikTok. If you are new to TikTok, the first thing you need to do is create an account on TikTok. To sign up, choose one option from the available options on the screen. Next, log into your account. After tapping the login button, choose one option from the options available on the next page. I will go through this one. Now, to log in on this page, enter your phone number, email address, or username. Then type your password and tap the login button. Now you are logged into TikTok. Let's visit all the options one by one. First, tap the home button located at the bottom left. After tapping the home button, you will see videos from other people. To watch the next video on this screen, you need to swipe up. Just like this. Now tap the Friends button at the bottom left, and a new page will open where you can add your friends. Here, there are 4 ways to add friends. To know about the first method, tap the Connect with Contacts button. After tapping this button, a message will appear stating that you can add your phone contacts. If you agree, tap OK. To know about the next method, tap the Connect with Facebook Friends button. After tapping this button, a message will appear stating that you can connect your Facebook account and add your friends. If you agree, tap Continue or tap Cancel. To know about the third method, tap the Invite Friends option. After tapping this button, a message will appear stating that you can invite your contacts. To know about the fourth and last method, tap the search bar located at the top. After tapping it, type the TikTok username of your friend or celebrity, and their TikTok account will easily show up. You can also add friends through the search option. Next, tap the plus icon located at the bottom center, and the camera will open. By tapping the white round button on the screen, you can click images or set a pre-existing image. If you want to record a video, press and hold this button. The longer you hold the button, the longer the video will be recorded. Another way to record a video is by setting the time limit that appears on the screen before pressing this button. This way, your video will be recorded according to the desired time limit. The screen shows various time limit variations, including 15 seconds, 60 seconds, 3 minutes, and 10 minutes. You can record TikTok videos up to a maximum of 10 minutes. You can also add sound to the recorded video by tapping the Add Sound button. With the Story button at the bottom, you can add any story. In a story, you can include images, videos, or your preferred text. And with the Templates button, you can use any template of your choice. Now, tap the Inbox button located at the bottom right. When you tap on it, a new page will open where you will receive TikTok-related notifications and update messages. Finally, tap the profile icon located at the bottom right. After tapping it, your profile page will open. At the top right corner, tap the 3 lines option to access the settings. By tapping the Edit Profile button, you can edit your profile. Just below that, in the lock icon, you can find your private videos. The favorite icon will show a list of your favorite videos. and the like icon will show a list of videos you have liked. In this video, we have provided an overview of all the steps to use TikTok. We hope you liked it, especially for beginners, as it will be quite helpful. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it.